Right, welcome to the soft opening of the brand new Austrian area here at Europa Park, and onto the log flume we go. Right, it says they're currently in the test phase for the log flume, so expect some bits and bobs to be missing. But it's great that they do stuff like this, because it gives you a taster of what it's like, and then they just fine tune it either according to feedback or according to how it operates. I love a log flume. I absolutely love them. And it's just complete walk on. Straight round, straight down, straight on. Got a little sweet shop there. Coming into the station. Look at the attention to detail. See, this soft opening is better than what we would have in the UK if it was a finished product. It even says we're not finished. I mean, it certainly looks quite finished to me. It looks really, really good. We gotta go all the way up, all the way around, and all the way down. And that's the great thing about soft opening. The queues are like really, really small, and even better with it having a Voltron opening just down the road. It means that we get some nice throughput. No stress, no worries. Lovely little wheel there. I think I've pulled.
Well, you got to at some point, didn't you?
They're good. They're good. Shut up, Haley. Typical. My footage corrupted right the way through that, so I've had to blend it with some of Hayley's footage, and we kind of blended the two together. So sorry about that. I had a bit of an SD card error. It went completely nuts. But they say that's a soft opening. No, it's well themed. The rock work's incredible. Yeah, there's a few ladders left and a few paint buckets here and there. But as far as that goes, it's pretty much a done product. That wasn't even there yesterday when we came. The turnaround is ridiculous. Fountains are on now. It's absolutely stunning. Literally making this when we came, and now it's all done. The turnaround ridiculous. Coming in from the other end now. It's crazy how different it looks in the space of 24 hours. Like they were still finishing all this. They definitely don't do not mess around. Good fun that, and great to see it back in operation. I never got to do the two original rides, so it's great that we're able to come back. Soft opening. I mean, as far as that goes, that looked as good as it ever will do. I can't see what else they need to do there, but it's Europa Park. It's constantly improving, constantly adding stuff, constantly doing bigger, constantly doing better. Hope you've enjoyed the little soft opening vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.